In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Vector tab up top, and then over here you'll see you have the option to actually create different objects. Click on that, this arrow down, and then here almost at the bottom is this QR code tool. Click on it and then just basically draw on your QR code. If you want it to be symmetrical, hold down your Shift key and then just basically drag it out. Or if it doesn't work with the Shift key, maybe just like try releasing it, because it's different depending on which computer you have. And then when you actually form it, you could go ahead and click up top left, select its color. I'm going to go ahead and make it black because that's kind of the default. And then here it says data. So as you can see, you have the URL. You can just click on here, select the type. I'm going to do URL again. And then you can basically go ahead and paste in your URL you want it to direct to, or you could go ahead, add on some text you want it to show. You could do phone, SMS, email, whatever. There's a bunch of different things you can do, and it's completely up to you whatever you want to create. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.